So we got this awesome new product. It's a bidet to install. It has a bunch of features on it that you're gonna like. It has heated seats where you can control the temperature. It has an air dryer on it, and you can control the temperature on that. The water, you can control the positioning and the temperature, water temperature of that. It has a night light, and then it has a slow closing lid and seat. So it won't slam, you just barely touch it and it will close. It's very convenient, handy. Let's see, it plugs into a standard outlet. So it's very easy just to plug it in, and I'd say at most 15 minutes to install. So I'm going to get to the installation. I'll show you how easy it is, and it's got a little control on the side, and you'll be good to go. Give it a try. As you can see, all the parts are included. It's very simple to install, so I'm going to show you some of the installation process as well as the features that come with it. I've already removed the old seat, and now I'm putting in the rubber housings that you put the bolts in. And then here is the plastic frame that gets bolted in that the seat will connect to. Next, I'm simply screwing them down with a Phillips head screwdriver. And this is the underside of the seat, and it simply snaps in to the bracket that you had just screwed down, and it'll click. It'll make a clicking noise, and you'll feel it securely in there. Now we'll hook up the water lines that came with the all of the parts. Very easy. One to the tank, which also goes into your water supply, and that connects at the bottom. And then the next one will go from the last connection that goes to the actual seat, the bidet seat. As you can see, it has a slow close or no slamming lid and seat. You'll also be able to see the readout for the temperature of the heated seat. That's one of the features, and as you can see, I'm pressing through the remote on the side that allows you to change the temperature of the water, the temperature of the dryer. Many great features.